23 right, contact tower 11860.
Oh, short 23 right, tower 11860, 64 Romeo, that's right. Hello, 64 Romeo, Echo, taxi, Foxtrot 1, holding short 23 right.
64 Romeo Echo Tower by Foxtrot 1, crossing 23 right, taxi holding point Victor 5.
5 Foxtrot 1, crossing 23 right, taxi Victor 5, 64 Romeo.
Papa 1, hold short 23 right.
Right turn, November Charlie, Echo, Delta, Papa, hold short 23 right, Tomcat 556.
Tower 119, decimal 405.
Delta 119, number 05, Tomcat 88 X-ray. Tower, good morning, Tomcat 88 X-ray, approaching Tango 1.
Tomcat 88 X-ray Tower, good morning. Via Tango 1.
Via Tango 1, clear for takeoff, 23 left, Tomcat 88 X-ray.
Connect 061 Juliet, hold short 23 right, contact tower 118 decimal 630. Connect 061 Juliet, hold short 23 right, contact tower 118 630.
Short 23 right, contact the tower 118 630, Connect 61 Juliet. Chester Tower, Connect 61 Juliet, approaching Papa 1 to hold short to TC right.
061 Juliet Tower via Papa 1, crossing 23 right, taxi holding point Tango 1.
Via Papa 1, cross TC right, taxi holding point Tango 1. Connect 61 Juliet.
64 Romeo Echo, hold 65, contact tower 119 decimal 405.
Hold at 5, tower 119 405.
4 Romeo Echo.